back to my channel. So today's video is about Instagram mistakes that are killing your reach. So stop doing these mistakes. In this video I'll be discussing the mistakes which are killing your reach on Instagram. So let's just get started. So the number one mistake I have seen many people do is they are posting inconsistently. That means they post on Monday and they forget they have an Instagram account, and then they directly post on next Monday, which I think so is not good. If you are a beginner, you should post consistently. Posting consistently does not mean that you have to post every day. You should be regular. You should follow a routine. For example, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, it's a serial. Okay, it has a proper time that 8 o'clock it comes on TV. So you should also have a schedule on what time you will post and when you will post. You can post 3 times a week, 4 times a week, or you can post 5 times a week. But you should have a schedule and a proper time on which you will post. Okay, some days it might be 11, some days it might be 11:20, but you should have a proper time on which time you should post. Posting inconsistently will not help you grow on Instagram. You should have a proper schedule and you should upload regularly. The second mistake which I have seen many people do is they overuse hashtags or keywords, whatever they are using. Maybe they are using hashtags or they are using keywords, but they are overusing it. You should not do like that. क्या करना होता है? You have to use minimum 7 to 8 or maybe 10 to 11. These many hashtags or these many keywords are enough for your one video or post. Overusing of anything is not good. So you should use minimum 7 to 8 or maximum 10 to 11 hashtags or keywords in your video. Also, I have made a video on hashtags, like types of hashtags and what all hashtags you can use for your particular niche. You can check that video. I'll be linking that in the description box. Number 3 mistake which many people do is they ignore the algorithm changes. Many people do whatever they want to do and just ignore few things, which I think you should not do it. It's not good for your profile and your content. You should see what's working for you and what's not working for you. You should definitely not ignore the algorithm. You should be updated with all the changes. Also, you should know how the new algorithm works. Number 4 mistake I've seen many people do is that they are not using all the Instagram formats. They are only focusing on Reels. If you are a new creator and you want reach, you can then definitely use Reels, because Reels give you discoverability. But it does not mean that you are not using the static posts and the carousels. Each format has reach. You should sometimes try static posts, sometimes carousels, and nowadays carousels are very much in trending. So you should definitely give try to all the Instagram formats. You can also use stories. Sticking to one format will help you, but it does not mean you are not giving chances or you are not using the other formats. Definitely give it a try to all the Instagram formats and see what's working for you and what's not working for you. So the number 5th mistake I have seen people do is they randomly post anything. Like someday they'll post at 11, someday they'll post at 3, some days whenever they want, they just post anything and everything. See, you should have a schedule, you should have a routine. Like if you are posting on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe 3 times a week, then you are posting on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. You should post on a particular time. You should post on a particular day. It does not mean you are posting kabhi bhi. Never post randomly anything. You should definitely have a schedule and a routine when to post and what to post. So the number 6 mistake I have seen many people do is, which is related to randomly posting anything, is they post without strategy. They don't have any strategy. They just post anything. For example, if you have an account, if you have a particular niche, you should follow that and you should have a strategy. At least you should have a strategy of 10 to 15 days. You should have a strategy of what you can post and what all content will you create for your account. Next mistake which many people do is they are not optimizing their profile. Profile is very important because that is your brand, that is your account. Many people will come to your account, and if your profile is not optimized, they will not follow you. They will be your profile visitors, but they will not convert into your followers and your audience. So how you can optimize your profile is, there are 4 to 5 steps in which you can optimize your profile. First comes your username, then your profile picture, your bio, the call to action you give in your bio, and the highlights. I have made a dedicated video on how you can optimize your profile. I'll give the link in the description box. Do check it out. So the next mistake which many people do is they post the same content on all the platforms. See, on Instagram short form content works, that is Reels. You can definitely start posting carousels because nowadays carousels are also working and they are also reaching wider audience. On Instagram Reels work. On YouTube long form content also work and short form content also work. That on YouTube, long form content also get views and shorts also get views. On LinkedIn, everything is related to business. On YouTube, everything is about education, entertainment, and reels are focused on everything. You should make different content for different platforms because all the platforms have different reach. Because all the platforms have different user base and content preferences. So you should make your content according to the platform which you are using. The last mistake which is not helping you to reach new audience is sticking on the same strategy. See, as you grow, you have to change your strategy. You have to see what works the best for you and what is not working for you. So changing your strategies and making it update will help you grow and reach wider audience. So these were the few mistakes which you are making on your Instagram reels which are not helping you grow on Instagram. Let me know in the comment section what all videos you guys want me to make. Till that, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more such tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.